We will discuss another factor, that is electric dipole. Electric dipole is the combination of two charges separated at a distance which have equal magnitude but opposite sign. Suppose minus q and plus q charges are there at a certain separation distance, let it be 12. Then we can say this combination as an electric dipole. In an electric dipole, we have to calculate the dipole moment. We have to calculate the dipole moment. And dipole moment is mathematically written by the symbol P, and it is defined as the product of either the charge into separation distance. Product of either the charge into separation distance, or we can write Q into 12. And this dipole moment is a vector quantity. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. We can establish this unit, that is SI unit is coulomb into meter, and CGS ESU start coulomb into meter, and EMU arc coulomb into centimeter. This is start coulomb into centimeter, and this is arc coulomb into centimeter. This is all about the dipole moment. And now we have to calculate the electric field intensity due to this dipole at various points. Regarding two basic lines, just the axial line and equatorial line. Equatorial line. First, we have to know what is this axial line and what is this equatorial line. Axial line, the line which present along the axis. Suppose minus q plus q, this is an electric dipole, and the line joining the centers of these two dipole. From the center, if a line is there, that is known as axial line. And we have to place a test charge at any point on this axis, and that means on the axis we can calculate the electric field intensity. And equatorial line is just the line which is placed at the perpendicular bisector of the dipole. Suppose minus q plus q is there. This is the point which is at at a separation distance r from the origin of the dipole AB, then if it is at r, we know the total distance of the dipole is 12. So AO equal to OB equal to L. So how much is AP? A to P. A to P. This much distance is L and this much distance is R. So AP equal to how much? R plus L. Similarly, we can find BP. B to P. This much distance. B to P. Since this much distance is R and this much distance is L. So BP equal to R minus L. Now we have to calculate the net electric field intensity Q naught at this point P due to this dipole. That means here, since the dipole is the combination of 2 point charges minus Q and plus Q, we can calculate the electric field intensity due to the charge minus Q as well as due to the charge plus Q. So since this is minus Q and this is Q naught is the positively charged, so the direction of the electric field intensity is towards the negative charge. So we are representing the electric field intensity as E minus due to the minus charge, minus Q. And since plus Q is here, so plus Q repel to this Q0 charge. So the electric field intensity due to this plus Q charge is away from Q naught. So the direction of E plus is away. So we can observe the direction, that means E minus and E plus are just opposite to each other. So the angle between them is 180. Since electric field intensity is a vector quantity, so we have to calculate the resultant electric field intensity by vector method. You have already known the how you have to calculate the resultant of two vectors from triangle law of vector addition as well as from the parallelogram law of vector addition. So we have to calculate the electric field intensity by that method. Before that, the electric field intensity due to a point charge, the electric field intensity due to a point charge is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. We have already known, because electric field intensity by definition F by q naught, and this F is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught divided by r square and divided by q naught. So due to a point charge we can get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. This much. This is the expression for electric field intensity due to a point charge. So for minus q charge, what is the magnitude of this electric field intensity? E minus, we are just calculating the magnitude. I will discuss about the direction. But in magnitude, E minus equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by, the distance is how much from minus q, the distance is r plus l. I have already told, from this minus q charge the distance is r plus l, and from plus q charge the distance is r minus l. So if I take E minus, suppose in vectorially I will take, then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by, because this magnitude I have not taken the magnitude, so I will put minus q divided by r plus l square. Along which direction, since I have taken the vector sign, so along the direction, this direction, along the direction PA. So we can write just along Pa. And similarly, the electric field intensity due to this positive charge plus Q, E plus equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus L whole square. Now, we will calculate the resultant electric field intensity. To find the resultant electric field intensity, but if we take the magnitude E square equal to E plus square plus E minus square plus 2 E plus E minus cos theta, but theta is here 180 degree because E plus and E minus are just equal and opposite. So it will become E plus square plus E minus square. Cos 180 is minus 1, you know. So minus 2 E plus E minus. And if we want to calculate E, so E equal to E plus square. This is here we have taken the magnitude. E plus square. This one is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this one is a minus b whole square. So we can write E plus square minus, sorry, a plus b whole square. E plus minus of E minus whole square, square root. So we will get E plus minus E minus. So simply we have to subtract E minus from E plus. I have already find the magnitude of this charge. If I take the mod of E plus and E minus, so what I will get, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus L whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus L whole square. I will take common Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. So inside bracket 1 by R minus L whole square minus 1 by R plus L whole square, that equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. This we have to take the LCM, R minus L whole square whole into R plus L whole square, and this one is R plus L whole square minus R minus L whole square. So this one just like the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, which one is 4ab. By putting this q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4ab, that means 4rl divided by r minus l whole square whole into r plus l whole square. So the magnitude is just like E equal to, I can write this one is just 2L into 2QR divided by, this is a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b into a plus b, that means a square minus b square, r square minus l square whole square. We know this q into 2l, if I take to this side 2l into q into 2r divided by r square minus l square whole square. This 2lq, I know this is the dipole moment, so I can write 2rp. For 2lq I can write p divided by r square minus l square. an ideal dipole neglecting L, we can get E mod equal to 2rp divided by, since L square is neglected, lower one is r square, r fourth, r one of the r cancel, then 2p by r cube. But before 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is here, so you can put here also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is skipped out, just we have to put 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So in magnitude wise, E equal to this much. So this is the expression for electric field intensity due to an electric dipole at axial line.